Hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to remove acne and blemishes. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is, so let's say you have a picture, right? And when I scroll on it, on my character here, you'll see that I got a little pimple, right? So in order to get rid of that pimple, let's say I just create a square select around that pimple. Now I have a little bit of an area to work in. I can use my color picker tool, pick the color of the skin, grab my spray paint tool, make the size a little bit smaller, and kind of start to spray paint that in. And maybe I can use my other color picker tool, make it a different color, and then kind of draw that in some more. And then maybe I can make it a little bit bigger, do more of a drawing, and maybe we can add some less hardness to it. Maybe add another little color. Take some from my forehead there, draw that in, and now if you notice, the blemish is gone. And then if I don't like the way that looks, I can maybe color it in a little bit more. And would you look at that? It's completely erased. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching.